We've got a lot of staff here. 8 staff work full-time hours. We are a youth centre, a connection centre. We have specialised support for substance misuse, support for young people living independently, and a children's centre. We work closely with other local agencies and liaise with some of the organisations which provide targeted services, such as youth offending, educational social workers, and aftercare services.
The Maypole Centre is a council youth centre based on a housing estate on the southern edge of Birmingham. We aim to reach about 60% of young people in our neighbourhood. Being healthy is important for our young people. We run programmes in sexual health and substance misuse education. These programmes have been featured in both local and national reviews. We also provide confidential condom distribution and smoking cessation classes.
There used to be dispersal orders on the estate, which meant that the kids couldn't play football on the grass. Because kids couldn't be in groups of more than 2 and were meant to be in by 9 p.m, when they came back from youth activities in the minibus, they had to all go off in different directions. We organised a petition for better freestanding facilities. We got a mugger, goalposts, shelter, and the police decided not to agree to dispersal orders anymore.
Being healthy isn't just not being ill, it's about living a good life. We will try and show some of the things that happen in our estate to help us lead a healthy life.
We use adventure activities to encourage young people to experience new challenges. Over 70 young people have sailed the English Channel from this estate. Each spring, a group undertake gorge walking, cycling and climbing in Wales. The centre owns a 70-foot narrow boat sleeping 12 and a fleet of mountain bikes.
The task team is funded by supporting people to help young people aged 16 to 25 live independently. All young tenants get an initial assessment to determine their level of need and then a key worker, if appropriate, to help them establish themselves in their tenancies. We help them sort out their finances, community care grants, debts, doctors, and then support service users into further training and employment. It works like a virtual foyer project. We even help them to learn how to cook on a budget. It's important to remember that we started this scheme because of the levels of substance misuse, mental health issues, bad debt, the poor living conditions and a high turnover of young people's tenancies.
If your mum's at work, we can look after you after school and during the holidays.
Places to go and things to do. A comprehensive support service for young people.